Hello guys, what I want to show you today is basically the best tips and tricks for beginners in Heartopia, okay? Now Heartopia is actually a pretty simple game, but there's so much information and so many things that you can do that you might get lost on the things, okay? So I'm actually going to give you the best progression tips in order to have a good game, okay? Now guys, what are you going to do? First of all, I think that you should focus on house upgrades early for passive rewards, okay? So basically, this is going to require you to have an appropriate DG level, developer skill level, because that's going to allow, to unlock different plots for your home, okay? So more space, basically. And also the advanced building mode, okay? So this is very important. What can you do to actually get this, house upgrades early is focusing on the daily NPC chats and the daily requests, okay, that you can see in here. So every single day at 6 a.m., your daily request is going to be updated. Well, it's not going to be updated. Can't you have to come to the quest board in here, which is in the main town. Okay, like the square. So you can just come in here and you can start checking the different missions, okay, from the NPCs. Now, what you can also do besides those, which are going to be linked or marked on the map, is you can just come to, the town in general and you can start chatting with your NPCs, okay? Because sometimes they're going to give you, different rewards, such as, friendship unlocks and different things, and even different side quests, even if they're not marked on the map, okay? So I recommend that you talk to them every single day, and you're going to get a friendship with them, okay? Which is cool. Now, about the building tips, I recommend that you start with the blueprints. Again, you need a certain DG level in order to have this. I believe it's 7 or 8. But yeah, that's going to give you basically the blueprints, which you can customize later. And you can then sell them. Okay, this is the building material basically. Okay, so yeah. It's in level 8 actually, the feature unlock blueprint, okay? So it's level 8 that you're gonna have to progress to. Also, keep that in mind that you can sell your furniture in the evaluation, in the, different things, okay? So you're gonna be able to sell your furniture and your things very easily once you get to a certain point. Now, let's talk about the economy tabs, okay? What you have to do is you're gonna have to sell crafted goods, okay, not raw materials. So for example, if I go to my backpack in here, I have a lot of, timber, quality timber, stone, red timber. Okay, that's good, and that's gonna give me a certain amount of money, but that's not gonna give me the most amount of money. What's gonna give me the most amount of money is actually the furniture that I create with that, okay? So I can make this furniture, and that's gonna give me a lot of money. So just focus on the actual things that you can build, not on the raw materials. Okay? Also, let me give you a little trick in here, guys. Sometimes you're gonna see like bubbles in this game that are gonna be like close to the ground, basically, like floating around. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to jump, okay? Because they're gonna give you like rewards such as gold and things like that, okay? So pay attention to the bubbles and just jump for them like this, okay? Because this is gonna give you like gold and things like that, okay? They're gonna be creating random, so do not expect them every single time. Also, guys, what you can do is you can unlock the friendship with your NPCs by just chatting them, okay? Because high friendship is gonna give you rewards in terms of the discounts and recipes. So for example, if I have a high friendship score with this girl in here, with the gardener, I'm gonna be able to just, buy things at a cheaper price. So this is something that I can do, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. In general, just combine your farming plus your animals for steady income, and just explore a lot, and do a lot of like, basically like looting as I'm doing in here, but focus on the things that you can build with this, okay? Thank you so much.